Samsung fans aren't exactly thrilled with how things are going with the One UI 7 update. And honestly, we get it. The official rollout is taking way longer than usual, later than any previous One UI version, in fact, and that's left a lot of Galaxy phone and tablet users feeling a bit left out in the cold. Now with this delay, a big question has been hanging in the air. Is this going to mess with the timing of future updates too, like One UI 8? According to several reports, it seems Samsung is planning to flip the script and drop One UI 8 much sooner than 7. Some rumors even suggest their next-gen foldables could ship with One UI 8 based on Android 16 right out of the box. Well, here's the exciting part. One inside sources have confirmed it. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7 will launch rocking Android 16 and One UI 8.0 from day one. If that holds true, we could see the One UI 8 rollout for other devices, like the Galaxy S25 series, happen a whole lot faster than the current One UI 7 mess. Now let's talk timing. Google's planning to drop the stable version of Android 16 sometime around June or July this year. That means Samsung could launch their shiny new foldables just days, or maybe weeks, after Android 16 officially lands. Not too shabby. Of course, Google I/O is coming up on May 20 or 21, and that's where they'll give us the full rundown of what Android 16 is bringing to the table. They've already dropped 3 beta versions, and we can expect One UI 8.0 to incorporate most of the big improvements and under-the-hood changes. As for a beta program for One UI 8, well, Samsung hasn't officially said anything yet, but we do know they're already testing it on the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra, so if there is a beta, those 3 will probably be the first to get a taste. So, now it's your turn. Are you more hyped for One UI 8, or are you still, impatiently, waiting for One UI 7 to finally show up? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and let's chat. Until next time, take care and stay techie.